needs to work on that gets severely underrated is the Turkish Get Up. So the Turkish Get Up, in reality, it's about, can I create stability and mobility? The arm that's in the air has to stay mobile as you move your body underneath it to the upright position standing, and then has to stay pretty mobile as you get back down on the floor. The arm that's on the floor has to create stability as you move your body around the arm that's on the floor. So shoulder blades are moving all over the place, arm bones are moving all over the place, and we're going to do it with Marcelo with a shoe. The reason the shoe versus a weight, if you really want to get into creating a perfect Turkish Get Up, start with just a shoe, put it on your fist, and start working on, can I get up and down on the floor, off of the floor, with that shoe staying in place and not smacking you in the head. You could do it with a weight, but most people tend to cheat it. So we want to create a really good Turkish Get Up, creating awareness of that shoe, creating awareness of what's going on underneath him, where he's going to go nice and slow. And it's a lot safer. You don't have to worry about like grabbing a heavier kettlebell or something that you can't do. The shoe, once you do it right, it should be good. So we're going to grab that shoe, and we're going to start with it on the fist. So find a good center spot on that fist. Got it? You in a good place? Okay. So we're going to straighten the right leg out. You got it. I'm going to bring this one out just a hair. I'm going to bring this one out just a hair. Okay. So with our Turkish Get Up, he's going to push through his elbow and through his leg on that backside to come on up. And we're not going to be real strict on the rules with that Turkish Get Up. What we want is to create stability. There you go. So he's got to push through that arm, clear that leg out of the way on the bottom. Whenever you're ready, standing up. Okay, now looking straight ahead. There you go. Ribs are down. Then you're going to reverse it. So right leg is going to go back behind you. Reverse lunge. Find the floor. That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Oh, good.
And so we've done Turkish Get Up with a shoe. It looks pretty good. So now we're going to have Marcelo do something with a little bit of weight, right? And so I chose a dumbbell. Typically most accessible is a dumbbell versus a kettlebell. You don't have to worry about racking on the side or anything else. Real easy. I'm going to have him put it in his right hand, right? So that arm's going to stay facing the ceiling and vertical at all times, right? So we're going to do our Turkish Get Up with a dumbbell next. So remember that left hand's going to be out about 45 degrees. I'm going to bend this one. This one's going to come out slightly outside of shoulder. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to run through the same rules of the Turkish Get Up as you've done before, right? Sir. So you're going to push through this leg, push through that elbow, come on up, push on that elbow. There you go. So I'll keep that leg back there. Head's looking forward, ribs are down. Backwards lunge with the left. Keep the elbow straight. Find the floor, find the floor, find the floor. There you go. Look at your kettlebell, look at your dumbbell. So that's the progression of getting down to the kettlebell or dumbbell.
Marcel, how did that feel with the kettlebell versus the shoe? Not the kettlebell, the dumbbell.
Definitely less challenging because with the shoe, you're really focusing on not letting the shoe fall. But a little bit more challenging because of the weight.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And so the one thing about that 15 pounds, remember, is as you're getting up, you're moving your body all the way around underneath that 15-pound dumbbell. Yeah. So that shoulder joint is getting loaded the entire time.
Is it?